If you want to build an online course platform, the biggest mistake you can make is trying to build the next Udemy on day one. Most people start too broad, spend months on development, and launch to 0 students because they had no clear audience. This video covers everything you need to do it right. Choosing your niche, validating demand, and picking the right features, and the fastest way to launch without spending a fortune on custom development. The first decision is your niche, and it is the most important one you will make. Go narrow first. Think about a specific subject area with real demand and manageable competition, such as coding for beginners, digital marketing for small businesses, or fitness coaching, music lessons, language learning, or professional certification prep. The tighter your niche, the easier it is to market, the more loyal your audience becomes, and the faster you grow. Before you invest a single dollar, validate demand. Use Google Trends to check if interest is growing or declining. Go to Udemy and look at best-selling courses in your category. How many students do they have? What are reviewers asking for that existing courses are not delivering? That gap is your opportunity. Also, check Reddit communities, Facebook groups, and YouTube comment sections. People constantly discuss what they wish existed. Those conversations are your market research. If demand is strong, but existing courses are overpriced or shallow, that is your green light to move. Now, let us talk about what your platform actually needs to function. For students, a clean course catalog with search, smooth video playback, and progress tracking so they know how far along they are. Certificates of completion that carry real value, and a rating and review system. For instructors, an easy course creation dashboard, and video and supplementary file uploads, a built-in quiz and assessment builder, and a transparent earnings dashboard where they can track revenue in real time. For admins, full control over user management, course approvals, and commission settings, promotional tools, and analytics to understand how your platform is growing. Community features like Q&A sections, discussion forums, and live session capabilities boost engagement significantly and make your platform feel premium rather than just another on-demand video site. These are not nice-to-have features. They are what separates platforms that retain users from platforms that lose them after the first course. The technical foundation requires 4 things: a domain that is short, clean, and relevant to your niche. It builds trust. Next, a server with at least 4 GB RAM and a dual-core CPU using a cloud provider. A wildcard SSL certificate to protect user data and remove browser security warnings. And a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal to collect payments globally and pay instructors automatically. Here are 2 ways to build: from scratch or using a ready-made solution. Building from scratch takes months and tens of thousands of dollars. Most of that time is spent on development that has already been solved. Pinlearn is a ready-made e-learning software that gives you everything we just covered out of the box. It includes multi-instructor support, course management, payment processing, and admin commission controls. Then, live class capabilities, mobile responsive design, and a modern interface that feels premium. Pinlearn Clone Script is a one-time payment. You own the code. No monthly SaaS fees and no revenue sharing. Getting started is straightforward. Install the Pinlearn script on your server and connect your domain. Integrate your payment gateway, and you are live. The platform is fully white-labeled, so your students experience it as entirely your own product. Logo, colors, brand identity, all yours. The codebase is clean, so any developer can extend it. And if you are not technical, Pinlearn builds your website at no cost and provides 6 months of free post-development support. Udemy did not win because it had the best software. It won because it created a marketplace where instructors were motivated to teach and students felt they were getting real value. Your job is to replicate that dynamic in a specific corner of the market. That focus is your competitive advantage over a platform trying to serve everyone. Start narrow, serve your niche exceptionally well, and scale from there. Link to the live demo is in the description. See the platform in action before you commit to anything. Thank you!